sa campus.
Metabolites that characterize a wide
So, we're abot na sa campus. Mag-wait na lang ko para itap ang akong ID. Okay, so kung pa nag-tap ang atong ID, padulog na to sa MR kay na ay wait, what was that? Murag basta mo na siya. Na something event there, and then we pharmacy students are required to attend it. So they are going na. Classmate, naabtan na ko sila. Wait, vlogging no.
Hello!
So yeah, padong kami sa MR, yeah, sa hall.
Ako kita lang. Parang may SSCB. Doktor Mangon siya. SSCB. Kaya ako lang.
Okay, so nanami sa MR ron. And then, wala, marato siya. So, igani siya tanawon. Ako ipakita ninyo.
in modern age. This talk examines how metabolomics have allowed the discovery of relevant metabolites that characterize a wide variety of human
The Krebs cycle, because it's probably the most familiar pathway, metabolic pathway that all of us know, even those who are not in science. Okay. And if you define metabolism, it is simply a balance between anabolism